In a significant demonstration of forward-deployed logistics, the Royal Canadian Navy's Halifax-class frigate HMCS Ville de Quebec, FFH 332, executed two separate rearmament operations with Harpoon Block II missiles at the port of Darwin, Australia, on July 9 and July 21, 2025. These operations took place while the frigate participated in the large-scale multinational military exercise Talisman Sabre 25. The events mark only the second time a Canadian naval vessel has conducted forward missile rearming outside North America. The first occurred in Broome, Australia, in September 2024, when HMCS Vancouver reloaded both Harpoon and Evolved Sea Sparrow missiles during Operation Horizon. In both instances, Canadian ammunition technicians collaborated with Australian military logisticians and civilian contractors to integrate the munitions aboard the vessels. Forward rearmament enables warships to replenish missile stocks closer to potential conflict zones rather than returning to home bases. This approach allows Allied navies, especially those operating far from national waters, to maintain a sustained presence and combat readiness. The rearming of Ville de Quebec was made possible through coordination with Australian port officials and mirrored procedures first trialed in 2024 with Vancouver. The rearmament operation was split between two stages, before and after a live-fire Harpoon launch targeting a ground objective, allowing the ship to first employ an exercise-configured missile and later reload with a fully operational variant. These surface-launched Harpoon Block II missiles, developed by Boeing Defense, are designed for precision strikes against maritime and coastal targets. The Block II variant features GPS-aided navigation, enhanced targeting discrimination, and the ability to operate effectively in nearshore environments. Its estimated range exceeds 124 kilometers. HMCS Ville de Quebec is one of the 12 Halifax-class frigates in Canadian service and has been a fixture in maritime operations since entering service in 1994. Built in Quebec by MIL Davy Shipbuilding, the vessel is equipped with a mixed propulsion system allowing speeds up to 30 knots and a cruising range of 9,500 nautical miles. Its weapons systems include Harpoon launchers, vertical missile cells, a Bofors 57mm gun, phalanx CIWS, .50 caliber guns, torpedo tubes, and a CH-148 Cyclone helicopter platform. The ship underwent significant upgrades under the Halifax-class modernization initiative. These enhancements included replacing legacy sensors with the FAIL's Smart SMK-2 radar, Saab Ciro's 200 fire control, and integration of Rheinmetall's Mas Duera's decoy system. Weapon systems were modernized, with the Harpoon upgraded to the Block II standard, the CIWS updated to Block 1B, and the ship's 57mm gun brought up to Mk3 specification. Over its service life, Ville de Quebec has deployed in a wide range of operations, from NATO missions in the Adriatic and Mediterranean to Arctic patrols, anti-piracy operations near Somalia, and symbolic missions marking the War of 1812. More recently, it has operated under Operation Horizon, Canada's enduring Indo-Pacific deployment that superseded Operation Projection's Pacific component in 2023. During Talisman Sabre 25, Ville de Quebec has been integrated into the UK-led carrier strike group operating under Operation Highmast, centered on the aircraft carrier HMS Prince of Wales. Canada's overall contribution to the exercise includes around 600 personnel, encompassing naval, air force, special operations, cyber, and space command elements. Strategic lift has been provided by RCAF aircraft, including CC-177 Globemaster transports. Talisman Sabre 25 represents the 11th iteration of Australia's premier multinational defence drill, running from July 13 to August 4. It involves over 35,000 troops from 19 partner nations and spans operations across land, air, maritime, space, and cyber domains. For the first time, Papua New Guinea has joined as a host location. According to Australian and Canadian military leaders, the rearmament in Darwin symbolizes a deepening strategic relationship. Vice Admiral Justin Jones of the Australian Defence Force called the operation a milestone in enabling Allied logistics in Northern Australia. Lieutenant General Steve Boyven of Canada's Joint Operations Command highlighted the importance of such efforts in extending the reach and endurance of Canadian naval forces abroad. As geopolitical attention intensifies in the Indo-Pacific, Canada's ability to project power and maintain readiness in the region is increasingly reliant on integrated support with trusted allies, something the operations in Darwin underscore with clarity.